Does anybody here have any desire to raise both your hands in the air? Anybody? Okay, from this point on, you're not allowed to, because I said so. I'm going to come in, okay. Wow, she's pointing. We're not supposed to point. I wonder if anybody's putting their hands in. So how many of you put your hands up in the air? Okay. What happens in your body? If I tell you you're not allowed to put your hands up in the air, what do you immediately want to do? Okay. Tell me what word you want to say immediately after I say this next statement. Ready? I don't want to hear another peep out of you. There you go, right? There you go. Right? Yeah. I literally am telling you what I want you to do. I'm telling you, I'm saying the words, I don't want you to do this. Don't touch your friend. Now somebody who's on the other side of the classroom wasn't even paying attention, going, what? Don't touch, okay. And they do it. Why? Because we want attention. That's what drives us. And we've been miscommunicating with our kids so often, and we get confused as to why they don't do what we want them to do, but we don't look at ourselves. We look at the environment and everybody else other than us, because as human beings, we don't want to be responsible. It's just something that happens. We create systems in our minds that set us up for upset.